end of month August 2019. So I'm off today and I'm off on my birthday September 1st. But the plant don't start back up until 11 o'clock September 2nd, which means that my shift don't run. So I'll probably get 0 hours for September 2nd unless they have a reason to call me in, because I don't know. But anyway, that's why I say not to count on more than 80%, really more than 70% of your base pay. Because of unexpected holidays. I mean, you could look ahead. You might be able to look far enough ahead and count on this, but I don't know. Now, if you've watched a lot of these, you've noticed that several days I got sent home early or didn't have to come in, and there was no way to know that was happening until right up on the day. So it wasn't something that could be planned that far in advance, really. But anyway, here's the end of month. Well, hold on. So here's the end of month August 2019's bill layout. I don't know how you pronounce this, but I think it's Olo. I transferred all of Merrick over to it and then some other stuff. Plus they charged me like, I think 10% or something, 4%. I think it was $48 to do the transfer. Now I've got 9 months of 0 interest, which means I need to pay this card back at $177 roughly per month. And that would save me a lot of money on what I was paying Merrick Bank. I've also paid off City Card. And I think, I didn't actually look though, but I think all of these are down just a little bit. Except technically this is higher than, it's a little higher than Merrick was. But that's alright. Still not good, at least needs to be at least over 500. I was wanting to pay 1,000 down on these. Have the amount drop by $1,000, so you'd have to pay more than that because you're paying a good bit of that as interest actually. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is it a good idea or a bad idea to get a new card with 0 interest? Would you have done that? Is that a good move, or did I blow that totally? I sold an item on eBay as well. I took another low ball offer. I made a video, part of it, but it was a product that I don't think has any value. At least it doesn't have any value to me whatsoever. I will be right back. Okay, just one of these Ryobi, it's 4 amp hour lithium 1+ 18 volt batteries. Just one of these batteries works better, lasts longer, powers the tools a whole lot better than the orange regular Ryobi NiCad batteries. So I sold 5 of the other batteries and 2 chargers, plus 1 manual for the batteries and 1 manual for the chargers. I had it listed for $99. Took a low ball offer of $25 plus shipping on top, and figured, yeah, just get rid of it. And yeah, I know that you should never put your thought in the mind of the customer, or in the mind of the buyer, or in the mind of the seller, or you never put your thoughts in the mind of the other person. Just because it's worthless to you, he may have thought he found a gold mine and just wanted to negotiate for a better price. I don't know. What I do know is those batteries were worthless. They've been listed for months and months and months with very little action, so I took the first offer that came along. I may, when I go back to redo this board, because a lot of these are getting out of order from lowest to highest, I may go back and reorganize them. There is one on here that I haven't listed. It's because I don't know how much the balance is. I can't create an account online with it. You can just go online and make a payment, but it doesn't let you create an account, so I don't know what the balance is. I think what I may do is just pay it off with my next couple of checks and be done with it, and never actually list it on the board. I don't know. But anyway, I think this is pretty much it for this month. Is it not? What I found out is the way they pay me for, see, my pay runs from Monday to Monday. So, when I work from the 19th to the 26th, technically that is 1, 2, through counting with me, 3, 4, 5 12-hour days. The reason that I only get 4 12-hour days, or 48 hours, with the 8 hours of overtime, is because they moved this day over to here. I need a different color. That's actually a pretty color. Anyway, they moved this day over to this week, so I'm not getting paid for just 2 days. Now, while that, I hope I didn't hurt that HR woman's feelings, but while that may look like doing me a solid and stuff, it's also cheating me out of 12 additional overtime hours. Is it not? But I guess that's fine. They'll let you get up to so many overtime hours and then they cut it off. So it's possible, because this is 0 hours, I don't know if they're going to do that or not. But what they might do is take this 1, 2, count them with me, 3, 4. They may count this one on this week's check. And I may still get a 4-day week. I may not. They may go 3 days and 3 days. So I will see, it'll be a while, but I'll see when that check comes out. And also if I actually get to work the 12 hours every day. Leslie. So that'll let me know what's going on there. I bought another piece of silver. I think I saw the news. But this is the last month with Merit Bank on it. Yay! Give me the clap. I might should reword that. Oh, that's awkward. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you think, what you would have done, what would you do better. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already done it, because I could really use the subscribers. Ring the bell if you want to, you don't have to. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you didn't like the video. Just give me a thumbs up. Or down, or both. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.